finished up this hole right here today, and I took the liberty of making these little templates here. Thank God for cardboard. Anyways, these are the this is the templates for the driver's side, and I got one just like it for the passenger side. So I'm going to go back and cut this out of sheet metal now, leave a little extra all the way around for the little lips and stuff that got to go up and tack onto the original body. So we're going to cut that thing that fell down, we're going to cut it out a little bit bigger all the way around and make the flanges with the holes through it that tack weld all the way around on this thing. Ties it all together. There you be. Okay, there's the floorboard all installed. That's the one side. That is the driver's side done, and we have some of the parts of the other side already made, but I'll do a small video of the underside and what it looks like now. So anyways, it's done. Better be quiet, Hachi. Hooky chooky. Hooky dookie. You better watch it. Oh, she's grumbling. There it is. It's all done up underneath. Exhaust pipe now has a whole bunch of good room to get through there without being a speed bump killer. Lots of room now. There's the whole floorboard done. Just gotta get some paint on it now. Okay, pans are all welded in, done deal. Pans are done, subframe connectors are all done. Pretty much it. Here's a front view, pan's done. Here's the pans from inside the car. And we finished up the whole passenger side. It's all done, as you could tell. The old foot stomp test, tried and true foot stomp test. I think they did that in GM and Ford too. That's how they tested their floorboards. There it is. Done deal.